Okay, what if you could create an absolute masterpiece with just a few words? Well, that's not science fiction anymore. It's the reality of MidJourney V7. And today, we're going to show you exactly how to tap into that power.
And this isn't just a fun little toy anymore. Here in 2026, MidJourney is a legit, essential tool for creatives. It's fully baked into their workflows. We are way past the "wow, that's neat" phase and deep into serious professional level work.
So, here's my promise to you. We're not just going to skim the surface. We are going to give you the complete roadmap. By the time we're done here, you'll be able to take any idea floating around in your head and turn it into a jaw-dropping visual with MidJourney V7.
All right, so your whole creative process with MidJourney V7. It all starts right here in your new digital canvas, the web app. Think of it as this powerful, super intuitive space that's just designed to bring your ideas to life.
This really shows you just how far MidJourney has come. I mean, the old-school Discord bot is still an amazing community hub, for sure. But the web interface, that's where the professional magic happens now. It's all visual, it's streamlined, it's built for a seamless creative flow.
Let's do a super quick tour. The Create page, well, that's where your ideas become real. Feeling stuck? Jump into the Explore tab for a shot of inspiration. Organize keeps all your work neat and tidy. Personalize is where you train your own AI, and Edit is for adding those final perfect touches.
Okay, now let's get to the real heart of MidJourney, the prompt. And listen, it's not just about typing in commands. It's more like learning a whole new creative language. The better you can speak it, the more mind-blowing your results are going to be.
You want to know the secret sauce? It's this, the perfect prompt formula. It's a simple 5-step process that just works because it gives the AI a logical roadmap to follow. You start with your main subject, then add the environment, lock in the style, describe the lighting, and finally, you fine-tune it with parameters. Easy.
And just look at this. The difference is absolutely night and day. A cat is okay. It's a starting point. But with a really well-crafted prompt, you're not just making a picture. You are directing a full-on virtual photo shoot. So, here are a few pro tips to get you prompting like a master. Be specific, but try to keep it under 60 words. Always put your most important keywords right at the beginning. And hey, don't be afraid to get technical. V7 knows its stuff. Oh, and if you want to get rid of something, the -no parameter is your new best friend.
So now that you're speaking the language, it's time to learn how to use the power tools. Think of parameters as all the little knobs and dials that give you absolute precision and control over everything you create.
First up is aspect ratio. And this is so much more than just a technical setting. It's a huge creative choice. You want to create a cinematic widescreen masterpiece, or maybe a vertical shot for social media? The RA parameter lets you frame your vision perfectly right from the get-go.
I love this one. Think of the Stylize parameter as a kind of creative leash. A low value keeps the AI on a really short leash. It'll stick super close to your prompt. But a high value, that lets it run wild, unleashing its own artistic brain to really interpret your idea.
And what if you need to just brainstorm a bunch of ideas fast? Draft mode is your secret weapon. Seriously, it generates images at lightning speed and for a fraction of the cost. It lets you explore tons of different directions before you commit to that final perfect render.
Okay, get ready for a total game changer, personalization. This is where, instead of just telling the AI what to do, you actually get to teach it your unique artistic style. It's literally like having a personal AI assistant that just gets you.
So how do you train this little AI assistant of yours? It's simple, and it's actually kind of fun. You just play a game. MidJourney will show you pairs of images, and you just pick the one you like more. After about 200 of those, boom, your personal style profile is ready to go.
Ready to give it a shot? Just head over to the Personalize tab on the website. Start ranking those images, and once it's unlocked, all you have to do is add the little -p parameter to your prompts. It really is that easy. So you've made this incredible personalized image. But what if you want to tweak just a few little things? Well, welcome to the Digital Darkroom, the integrated web editor.
You can basically think of the editor as your creative Swiss Army knife. It's got all the tools you need, panning, zooming, making super precise little adjustments, and it's all right there in one convenient spot.
Now, the real star of the show here is the Smart Select tool. It's like a magic wand that lets you select any part of your image with unbelievable precision. Then you can replace objects, zap backgrounds into oblivion, or just regenerate tiny details with a single click. So let's say you've got that perfect picture of a cat, but now you're thinking you want to change the background. With Smart Select, you can just trace right around the cat, and then tell MidJourney, hey, put this cat in a lush green forest, or how about a busy city street?
And the result? A totally flawless image. And it took you what? Seconds? This is the real power of the V7 workflow. It's a complete, end-to-end creative suite, all in one place.
What a ride, huh? We've gone from exploring the web interface to mastering the art of the prompt. We unlocked those power parameters. We even trained our own personal AI. And then we put the finishing touches on with the editor, the whole shebang.
You know, as we've seen today, MidJourney V7 is an insanely powerful tool, but it also brings up some pretty big questions, right? As this AI stuff just keeps getting better and better, what does that mean for the human artist? And maybe more exciting, what incredible new kinds of creativity are we about to see from this team up between human and machine? Makes you think,